Which ENVOKE shampoo should you buy? ENVOKE pH Neutral or ENVOKE Reboot? If you're looking at ENVOKE pH Neutral shampoo and ENVOKE Reboot and wondering which one should I buy, then this video is for you. They're both car shampoos, but they're designed to do two very different jobs. So let's break down the difference, when you should use each one, and ultimately, which one should be in your detailing setup. And before we get into the differences, one thing worth knowing is that the ENVOKE range has been developed with ceramic coatings in mind. So whether your vehicle is ceramic coated or uncoated, both of these shampoos are safe to use. First up, we have ENVOKE pH Neutral shampoo. This is your regular maintenance shampoo, the one that you're going to reach for when you're doing your normal car wash. As the name suggests, it's pH neutral, so it's designed to safely clean the vehicle without being overly aggressive. It produces a rich, high foam lather that gives you plenty of lubrication between your wash mitt and the paint. That lubrication helps encapsulate and lift dirt away from the surface as you're washing, allowing you to safely remove everyday dirt and grime while leaving behind a clean, streak-free finish. And you've also got that chillberry fragrance, which makes it pretty nice to work with. So for a regularly maintained vehicle and your normal wash routine, pH Neutral is the shampoo you're going to reach for. Now let's talk about ENVOKE Reboot. Reboot is a specialized paintwork shampoo designed for when the vehicle needs more than its regular maintenance wash. It's formulated to tackle more stubborn inorganic and mineral-based contamination. We're talking about things like scale and lime deposits, salt, rust, sand, and mineral buildup. Contamination that a regular pH neutral shampoo or a pre-wash foam may struggle to completely remove. Think about a dirty four-wheel drive coming back from the tracks, a caravan after a big trip, a bike after an adventure, or even the family SUV after a long road trip. Maybe you've been driving along the coast, parking near beaches, traveling on dusty roads, or simply exposing your vehicle to the elements for an extended period of time. All of that can leave behind more stubborn contamination that requires a different type of clean. And it doesn't have to be a vehicle that's just come back from a big adventure. Maybe you simply haven't washed your car in a while. There's a heavier buildup on the surface, your normal maintenance wash isn't quite enough, and you really want to give your car a proper deep clean and a reset. That's another great time to bring out Reboot. Another really good example is ceramic coated vehicles. You might wash the car and notice that the coating just doesn't seem to be performing like it used to. The water isn't beading as well and the surface just doesn't feel as clean. Sometimes you've simply got contamination sitting on top of that coating and masking its true performance. Reboot gives the surface a much more intensive clean, removing that mineral buildup, helping to restore the shine and hydrophobic properties of the ceramic coating. Essentially, you're giving that coated surface a reset, hence the name Reboot. So, which one should you buy? The answer is both. And the reason is pretty simple. Different types of contamination require different chemistry. These two shampoos aren't competing with each other. They're designed to do two different jobs, and there's a place for both of them in your detailing setup. ENVOKE pH Neutral is what you reach for to maintain the vehicle and take care of your regular washes. Then, when you're dealing with more stubborn mineral-based contamination, you've come back from a big trip, or your ceramic coating is clogged and not performing like it should, that's when you reach for ENVOKE Reboot. So rather than asking which shampoo is better, it's really about choosing the right chemistry for the contamination that you're trying to remove. Both are available in 500ml and 4-litre sizes, with pH Neutral in a chillberry fragrance and Reboot in a sugar candy fragrance. Hopefully that clears up the difference between ENVOKE pH Neutral and ENVOKE Reboot, and why we'd recommend having both in your detailing setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more detailing guides, and let us know in the comments what products you'd like us to break down next. You can check out both shampoos and the full ENVOKE range at envokecarcare.com.au.